Greetings, I'm Dr. Francine. I'm a registered certified trainer for thought field therapy. For my clients, I have put together a tapping routine they can use on a daily basis to keep themselves in a relaxed, focused, and resourceful state. I call it the TFT Power Ritual. Please tap along with me and experience for yourself the power of thought field therapy. First thing I'd like you to do is simply think about the level of stress or anxiety you may be experiencing right now. Just how do you feel overall? If 10 is the worst you could feel, 0 not upset at all, where are you right now? And you may want to write down that number or just take a mental note of it. Secondly, I would like you to tap the side of your hand. The side of the hand where you would do a karate chop, right in that fleshy part there, and tap that about 15 times. Not enough to hurt, just enough to give it some energy. Third step, I would like you to rub what we call the sore spot. The sore spot is located on your upper left chest on your body, just a little bit on the side from your heart. You can do it right through the clothes. Rub that spot in a circular motion and massage it while thinking about how you're feeling right now. Great. Step 4, I'd like you to tap under the nose. Thank you for tapping along. Step 5, I'd like you now to tap along with me the following points. You can tap the points on either side of your body. It's a very forgiving system. It's very robust, so it doesn't matter which side you're tapping. You can switch midway. Not enough to hurt, just enough to give it some energy. Start with what we call the eyebrow spot, where the eyebrow begins, where it meets the nose, under the eye, on the bone, close to the nose, under the arm, where the monkey goes. Kids also call it the flea-infested dog. And take it to the collarbone spot, where Tarzan would beat his mighty chest. Tap the very tip of your tiny finger just on the side of the nail and collarbone. Very tip of your index finger just on the side of the nail and collarbone. Go to chin, right in the lowest part, in the groove, under the nose again. Outside of eye, where the eyelids come together, it's a gentle spot there, so be careful. Collarbone. Find the gamut spot on the back of your hand and keep tapping that. It's between the little finger and the ring finger on the back of your hand. Keep tapping. We want to get at least 50 taps in on that one. But if you get more, that's okay. We just want to be somewhere in that ballpark. And take it to collarbone. We're now going to do what's called the 9 gamut treatment. It looks like this. It really is. It looks a little goofy maybe, but your brain's going to love that stuff. It's all about left-right brain integration. Tapping again that gamut spot on the back of the hand between the little finger and the ring finger, right there in that groove. Continually tap as you close your eyes. Open your eyes. Look down to one side on the floor. Look down the other side on the floor. Whirl your eyes in a big, big circle around the room. Whirl your eyes in the other direction around the room. Hum a few notes out loud. Rest your eyes now. Count to 5 out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hum again. We're going to repeat all the points we just tapped a minute ago again. And starting with the eyebrow point, just where the eyebrow meets the nose. And under the eye. 5 to 7 taps is usually all that's needed. Under the arm, where the monkey goes, and the collarbone, where Tarzan beats his chest. Inside tip of the tiny finger, just on the side of the nail, and collarbone. Index finger, just on the side of the nail, very, very tip, and collarbone. Chin, right in the groove, under the nose, outside of eye, collarbone. Gamut spot, continually tap there. And take it to collarbone. We're now already at step 8, and that is the floor to ceiling eye roll. Again, we're going to tap that very powerful acupressure spot on the back of your hand, what we call the gamut spot. Continually tap it, but this time your head is nicely balanced. It doesn't move. The only thing that moves are your eyes. Move them all across the floor as far down as you can go without actually moving your head. Now slowly and smoothly roll your eyes straight across the floor, slowly and smoothly up the wall, all the way up to the ceiling, as far up as you can go without actually moving your head. And when you're at the very top, you're done. So at this point, take again inventory and see how you're feeling. If you're now down to 2, 1, or 0, congratulations, you're back in control. If you're a little bit higher than that, I recommend you do this routine again from the beginning until you are in a much more resourceful place. Depending on the stress level in your life, I recommend you follow this simple protocol at least once or as many as 3 or 4 times a day. If you would like to have a written copy of this protocol, please contact me. You can find me on the World Wide Web at dring.net, drng.net. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know how this works, and let's be in touch. Come back, bookmark this video, and come back as often as you'd like, and we can tap together. Talk to you soon.